Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a business location on Instagram. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would need to do is go to your browser and then go into Google Maps right here. So make sure that you're in your browser, not in the Google Maps app. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to find the business location that you'd want. So the location of your business, you want to find it right here. And in my case, since it's just an example, I'm just going to select a random place right here. So now once you have successfully located your business, so for example, this one right here, this one. So what you need to do is click or tap on the location, and then from here tap on the share button right here that you can see. Tap on it, and then from here what you want to do is you want to copy the link for this one. So you want to copy right there. Tap copy, and then what you want to do is go back and then so go into Instagram. And then here in your Instagram profile, what you want to do is tap on edit profile. Tap on links. And then from here, tap on add external link and then just paste the URL right here. Paste. And then there we have it. We now have that URL. So let me do it again. Right there. And then from here, you want to go for the title. So let's say business location. And then once you're done, tap on done on the top right. There we have it. And then now you would now have the link right here. So when you go back to your profile, as you can see, we now have that link. So all you have to do is tap on that, and then they will now be redirected here into Google Maps. That is in that location that you have just shared, which is your business location. So that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching.